Hello, I'm Dave, and on this video I'll be painting Goofy. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe right now and click that bell for notifications. So I started out with just painting this blank canvas with a nice bright yellow color. After that, I sketched out Goofy with the paint marker. I don't normally do that. In this video I just started off doing that, but most videos I sketch with a pencil or like a number 2 pencil or a charcoal pencil, but this one I felt like this was a basic enough Goofy that I also started painting it right away. Just his because you get hit once you get his nose, like his mouth area and that bottom lip, you can kind of gauge where the rest of the body is going to be. And also, since the background was all yellow, it'd be easy to paint that yellow back onto the backdrop, just so that like as an eraser, so to speak, so I can cover up any parts that I didn't mean to paint at. So it'd be pretty easy to like recover on this one. If I had a more intense background, more complex background, I would have done definitely would have drawn him in first to make sure I don't to make sure everything is in the right spot. So now you can see I painted in the rest of his body, so the ear, the hat, his arm, his left arm, and just the rest of the body. So once I did that, airbrushed some black onto the backdrop just on the right side of his of where his body is. And the reason I did that is to give it that shadow look, make him stand out a little bit more, especially since I went with the plain yellow backdrop. I wanted to have a little bit more going on, so I used that shadow for that purpose. So now I'm painting the his head and his ears. Just getting all that in there. Basically just whatever is black, I'm using it while I got that black paint out. And then get a little bit of blue on the black. A lot of the Disney characters, when you paint them or draw them, there is a lot of like the lighter parts of the black is blue. So that's what you usually highlight the black parts with. So now getting some green for the hat. Getting those details in there. And now the hand. Nice bright white color. I'm doing the same for the eyes. If you haven't seen it yet, I did do a pop art version of Goofy, so definitely take a look at that. It's got a lot of color going all the way throughout, and just so it's not a solid background, but it's a lot of different colors on there. I attached that link right here on the top right of the screen. So now just finishing up. So with his skin tone, it's like a yellow red mixed with some white, and I just went real light, so a lot of white to get that color, and a little bit of blue mixed with white for the dark for the shadow color on his glove. And just painting in the rest of his shirt now. Just getting all that detail in there. So with the orange, it's I use some red and some browns to get the darker tones on that orange shirt, and then a little bit of yellow to get the lighter tone. So a little bit of yellow mixed with orange. So now I'm doing the outline with the paint markers. I'm just getting that outline. And you see, once you do the outline, it makes it all come together. Just getting those details in there. Outlining the ears. And here we go, Goofy. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.